Diba? It's yummy. Guys. It's hot. It's hot. Oh, English guys, it's big hot. It's hot. And kung Tagalog guys, sabi ko mainit. It's hot and mainit kasi Tagalog kayo or English. Second friends. Yummy, sabaw. Yummy soup. This is seafood in cup noodles. That's white. That's white. Cup noodles. Tagalog. Ano yan si Tito Maki?
Ano yan nare-record mo?
Wala, YouTuber. I-search ko sa YouTube. Mami, ano si Tito Maki? Bibigay tayo pera sa Gcash para anuin natin. Parang ito, 2,000 ako, di ba? Di, Mami? Sabihin natin kulang pa yung binili ko. Si Tito Maki para marami pa pera namin. Okay. Like and subscribe, please. Look at my videos because it's cute. Puppies. You have to watch it right now. And subscribe. Bring my picture. You can see. So guys, papalitan mo yung mukha ng YouTube ko. Kahit rabbit. Ay, kahit ano lang. Kahit mo lang ako. It's hot. Bye.